Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. And today is a really special one. We're officially wrapping up the hashtag ABCAPril2025 challenge. And this one is the final flip through of my journal. This was actually my first challenge I've ever started and finished. And let me tell you, as it says in Philippians 4:13, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. That verse carried me on days, when I felt stuck, a little overwhelmed, or frankly uninspired. It happens to us. So some of these prompts really stretched me. I'll start with A. Others felt like home. Um, and no, I find that depending on the prompt, of course, it was super easy, and other times it was like, okay, sketch this out. What are you thinking? What will you do? But I've got to say that um, prompt G in particular, this one, um, loaded with grunginess and, distressing and sprays and just letting it all flow. And I was really surprised with the outcome. It came from a deeper place, and it was great to just go with the flow. And again, some days I'm sure I'm not the only one. I didn't want to finish. I've got two Rottweilers, and they're a lot of work. I have a 7-year old and a 9-month old, and it's a lot of work, but such a joy to mommy. Um, But I also want to share that I I had so much fun creating this flip out technique. Never done a flip out technique in my life, and this was really cool. And to share also a wedding picture of my husband and I, something that in the past I probably never would have done, but this community has welcomed me in such a kind way that I felt, hey, it's okay to share a little bit about who I am and my family. Um, and I just want to thank you for all your support during this journey. And I made a little printable called Inspiration Awaits, and it'll be available on my Ko-fi. Just click in the description below, and they're basically blank journaling cards you can make with them what you'd like. And one thing that I want to share that's important about this challenge, and it reminded me of we're never creating in a vacuum. There are so many amazing out there, each of us bringing our own flavor, our own voice. Some of you have commented or messaged me that you've been inspired, and I just want to say, I've been inspired too by you, by folks who've been doing this longer than me for eons of years. And I especially want to give a shout out to Cori for at Creative Scraps. Her projects focus, the way she tracks her journaling challenges, so on. That lit a fire in me, and I'm so grateful for it. We grow in community, and this challenge absolutely that. Now, I know these videos have been short, but not forever. I'm not quite ready for the 25 plus minute deep dives, but this challenge has laid a groundwork for what's coming in the near future. More flip throughs, more making, more process, more of the real heart behind why I journal, love stamping, and mixed media art. So thank you for every comment, like, and moment you've spent with me this month. This isn't the end, it's just the beginning. Let me know in the comments which letter or prompt was your favorite. I can't wait to hear. Until next time, take care.